Delz.
What's good? Welcome to a brand new episode. We have here the Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty. This is something I can't wait to check out with you all. This is through Amazon, which Amazon is horrible when it comes to shipping. They don't know how to pack the boxes, man. When they send it 9 out of 10 times with me, stuff's all messed up. That sucks. No one wants that. Knock on wood. That's not the case this time around. So let's open it up together. All right. That's what it looks like. Check it out. Comes with this bobble right here. This is one of the mini bobbles, which will open up together, which looks awesome. You've got Chewie, doesn't really bobble at all, which is fine. But what I love about it is you have C-3PO in pieces from Empire Strikes Back. There's a close-up look. Awesome. So that's the first item. Then we have a keychain of Lando Calrissian. Can't go wrong with that. I dig it. Not the biggest keychain guy with these boxes, but Lando, I could deal with that. I like that. And then last but not least, we got Boba gets his bounty from the movie Moments. Bang that thumbs up button for that out of the box look, because obviously we can't see jack right now through this plastic. So hit that thumbs up button if you want to see that out of the box look, and we're about to do that right now. Quick look at the back of the box actually before we do the out of the box look, just so you can see it. And let's take it out of the box. I mean, it just gives it no justice in the box. And there it is out of the box. How amazing is that? Let's get Santa Yoda out of here. He's a little distracting. By the way, you can pick up Santa Yoda and all the other Christmas Funko Pops now. Guaranteed mint condition. I will link down in the description box. And this, I think you still can order. I will link this also in the description box. But I just wanted to give you a real detailed HD look. And then once I give you like a 360 from a distance, I will get up close. This is amazing. I love Star Wars. It's near and dear to my heart. It's something that me and my mother just shared. We had such a passion for Star Wars. She put me onto it. And when I was a little boy, man, I just used to love playing with Star Wars action figures and watching all the movies. So, you know, this is just so great. And this is, to me, the best Star Wars movie. Empire Strikes Back, to me, is definitely, hands down, the best Star Wars movie. Easily. Alright, so here we go with a close-up look. Love this, man. So sick. So sick. Boba Fett looks amazing. Fix this pop. Just looks so damn good. There's a look at Han Solo. Man. Carbonited out. And I love how you have like the oversized head, you know, with Han Solo and Carbonite. I mean, it just looks so awesome, right? So good. I love the like lighting here from the scene. They did such a great job on Empire Strikes Back, like the visuals, the actual set. I mean, just amazing work. Think about it, for that time too. Like now it's like all CGI and all this stuff. Back then they didn't have all that crap like that, man. So all these sets were built and just, I mean, you just got to appreciate that. There is another view. There's a look at his back. Let's look at the bottom, right? There's a look at the bottom for people that are curious about it. That's a cool view right there. I like that. And I almost forgot that it has that awesome background. And as I was saying, like, the way that the lights are all over the place, man, on that set when they were filming this movie. The person who designed this set for Empire Strikes Back, man, just brilliant. Just looked so great on camera. So great on camera. The whole set. Even like, look at that. Oh, man, the damn glare. That's classic, too. I did do a detailed review of this duel right here of Darth Vader versus Luke. Definitely check that out. But I'll eventually put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. But getting back to this, man. This one is just so badass. Must have. Must have. One of my favorite Star Wars pops, definitely. And there we go with my unboxing review. I think it was well worth the money. Paid $30 plus tax. I'm pretty sure shipping was even free. I think this one was definitely worth it. I was very hesitant of ordering it, and then they had some leaked images that this Movie Moments Funko Pop was going to be in the box. I'm not passing on a Carbonite version of Han Solo with Boba Fett. It's impossible for, I think, any Funko Pop Star Wars fanatic to pass on. That's just me personally. All the little trinkets I didn't really need. Like, I don't mind this. This is kind of cute. I will probably give this to someone, and then the keychain I probably will give to someone also. But this definitely easily one of the best Movie Moments and slash Star Wars Funko Pops in my opinion. Let me know your favorite Star Wars Funko Pops. Let me know if you even like Star Wars. Write in the comments. I love Star Wars. If you don't like Star Wars, write I hate Star Wars. Leave that in the comments. Write I love Funko. Write something that helps my channel. YouTube loves gathering all that information, and they'll recommend my video to more people. So thank you for everyone that always leaves comments and thumbs ups the video. So if you haven't, please do so. Let's try to show the world that Funko Pop collecting is a big thing out there. Let's try to get this channel more and more subscribers just to show the world we love Funko Pop. And definitely thank you so much for watching today's episode. And once again, Empire Strikes Back, my favorite Star Wars movie, and then I would say A New Hope, and then I would say after that would be Return of the Jedi. Let me know what your favorites are as far as with Star Wars. I did like Episode 3. Some people didn't like Episode 3, but 4, 5, and 6, those are the ones that are my favorites in the order of 5, 4, and then 6. Leave your comments. Thanks for tuning in. Much love, and may the Force be with you. Oh, you know what? I want to show you one more thing before we get out of here. This is one of my prized possessions right here. This poster autographed by Carrie Fisher, autographed from Peter who plays Chewbacca, and then autographed by Dave who played Darth Vader. He was the guy who actually wore the suit and everything. He didn't do the voice, that was Earl Jones. But this is one of my prized possessions as far as Star Wars collectibles, and I absolutely love this thing. And we're really out this time. Everyone have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, check out more of my content if you dig this video. All right, we out of here.